frustrations of being in a corporate environment with computers is that things have to be locked down to a certain degree. There's many reasons for this. One is that viruses are spread by executing programs, which then sneakily install themselves on computers. So if a computer is locked down so that programs can't be installed, it becomes impossible or far less likely for viruses to install and run. A few weeks ago, we talked about using Chromebooks in schools, and we briefly touched on using Chrome extensions. Basically, Chrome extensions are like little programs that run inside the Chrome browser only and are separated from the operating system and therefore protected from viruses. They can only be installed through the Chrome Web Store. Today, we're going to walk through installing an extension and talk about a couple of useful ones. The easiest way to access the Chrome Web Store is just to Google Chrome Web Store, and it will be the first one that comes up. Then you have to figure out how you're logged in. So if you look up here, you can see there's two. I'm either logged into the Chrome Web Store, and I'm also logged into the Chrome browser. So I can see I'm logged in my Chrome Web Store with my personal Chrome account, and I can also see up here I'm logged in with my personal Chrome account. So I'm going to change that. I just click this and I select my SPS. If it wasn't listed there, I would select that one, but I'm going to click that. When you log into the web store with your SPSD account, you will see an SPSD store, which is a list of frequently used apps by SPS people, but that's by no means the only thing that you can search. So I'm going to demonstrate with a cool one today. It's called Equatio. So click up in the search the store and type EQUATIO. Now it's the first one that comes up, so I'm going to add it to Chrome. It's going to give me some stuff here. I'm going to say add extension. Then it's checking, it's doing some stuff down here, and pretty soon I'm going to have a little icon up here for Equatio. And it's now installed. So now what I need to do is, because Equatio works with Google Docs, I'm going to go to my Google and go to my Google Drive. Then I'm going to create a new Google Drive document. And now I'm in here. So all the extensions that I've ever installed are all listed up here. So the Equatio one looks like this. I'm going to click that, and what it does is it brings up a thing on the bottom here, and this is for doing math, so it's like the equation editor. So I'm going to click this one here. So what it wants me to do is it wants me to type in here, so it's going to predict what I'm trying to do by what I'm typing. So for example, if I wanted to say 3 squared plus the cube root of 27, I just type 3 squared, and as soon as I start typing squared, it will give me some suggestions. So there's the squared that I'm looking for. And I'm going to say plus. Now I want the cube root. So I'm going to just type cube. And here's cubed, cube root. So I want cube root. And then I'm going to put 27. So it now has done this math for me. Once I've done what I want here, I go insert math. And what it does is it takes that image and it puts it into my Google document. So I now have an equation that can be read with read-write, which is another Google extension that reads the screen. Once I've inserted it, I can hit the trash bin and do another one. So this will also do speech input. So if I click this and then this, I can speak what I want to say. So I'm going to click this, I'm going to say something, and then I'm going to extract it. 3 squared times the root of 27 divided by the cube root of 54. So once I've said what I want to say, now I can insert that math and it will add that into my document. Equatio also does handwriting recognition if you have a touch screen. It's a pretty powerful program. Give it a try. And Equatio is just one of thousands of extensions that you can download from the Chrome Web Store. So I encourage you to come here and search and even do a quick Google search of some of the popular education tools. There's tons of them. There are thousands of Chrome extensions that allow you to customize your computer experience and allow you to take advantage of features you wouldn't get normally. Take a look around the store and share with your colleagues some of the extensions that are best for you and your students. Thanks. See you next week.